Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Radhika from Radhika's Trade Book. Let me share with you my stock analysis for today. The first stock for today is Tata Motors. The Tata stocks are in focus for quite some time and they are really performing very well. The theme of electric vehicles is also giving a good push to this Tata Motors, and even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has also invested into this stock. And today also it has given a very good rally of around 6%, and it was one of the highly traded stock today in terms of its volume. So let us quickly analyze the chart of Tata Motors. So this is the daily chart of Tata Motors I have taken. Just drawing the flag pattern. So this is the height of the flag. So this is the pattern. Okay, if you observe, this is the flag pattern, and if it breaks above 510, it is going to show us the levels of 580. It is going to show us the level of 530, and even if 530 is broken, it is going to give us the levels of 580 and 600. And if you observe, I'm going to the monthly chart. Okay, if you observe, it is approaching the lifetime high price. See here. So this is the lifetime high price around 600. So if this stock breaks 520 and 530 levels, it is going to show us the levels of 600, and if this high is broken, again it is going to show us the levels around 700 also. So this is the analysis for Tata Motors. So let us move on to the next stock. The second stock for today is National Aluminium Company, NALCO. So this is a PSU company, and due to the shortage of power in China, the production of aluminium is decreasing. Due to this, the prices of aluminium are increasing globally. So let us look into the chart of NALCO. This is the daily chart I have taken, and let us see its long-term trend. So this is an uptrend. As you can see, this is an uptrend, and the main focus is, we will focus here. So if we see this, so if we draw a trend line here, you can see that it is constantly taking support on this trend line since many days. So see here, yesterday it has taken support. So if you observe here, yesterday it has taken support on this trend line, and today it has gone positive. So this can be bought at this current market price, and the stop loss will be taken at the low of this swing, that is around 100, and the target will be the high of this around the high of this swing, that is around 120. So this is the analysis for NALCO. Move on to the last stock for today. The last stock for today is CRM Silk Mills, and this is a textile stock. So let us check the chart pattern. I have taken the weekly chart for this stock, and if you see, this is the resistance. I'll draw a line. This is a resistance which it was not able to break since many weeks. And if you observe, there is a rounding bottom pattern also here. See, this is the rounding bottom pattern. After all this consolidation, it broke this resistance, and it has given a rally here. I'm zooming in the chart. Okay, so this stock can be bought at the current market price of 492, and the low of this swing, that is around 350, can be taken as, this level can be taken as its stop loss, and the target can be taken at around 700, which is its lifetime high. This is the previous resistance and it is the lifetime high for this stock. So the target can be taken at around this point, that is around 700. So this is the stock analysis of CRM Silk Mills. And please note that all the stop losses mentioned in this video are on daily closing basis. Hope you liked my analysis. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. For more updates, please join my Telegram channel. That's all folks for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.